Hello everyone, I am Meghna from Tech World in English. Today I am going to explain you about garbage collection in Java. In Java, garbage means unreferenced objects. Unreferenced objects are the objects who doesn't have any address or the reference. In Java, garbage collection is a process of reclaiming the runtime unused memory automatically. This can also be done by destroying the unused objects. To do this, we have specific functions in different programming languages. For example, in C we have free function and in C++ we have delete function. And in Java there is no need of such functions. There are many advantages of garbage collection and here are some of the advantages. Efficient memory of heap uses, and whenever we perform any programs or any other things we have to use only the heap memory to store the data or the values, and this can also be done automatically by the JVM, so there is no need to have any extra effort by the programmer. And in order to unreference any object we have three ways: by nullifying the reference, by assigning the reference of one object to the another object, by anonymous objects. Now, let me explain you in detail. First of all, consider a class named employee. Class employee, and here is the code for employee class. After completion of the code and all the methods here, now we come to our final method, public static void main of string args. This is the main method and we have to use this method in any one of the classes in Java. Now create an object to this employee class. In order to create an object to the employee class we have to use keyword new, and thus we can create an object to the employee class. Now in order to nullify the reference we have to use even equals to null, and by assigning the object of one reference to the another object reference. So in order to do this we have to use employee2 equals to new employee, through which we can create another object, and now we have to assign E1's reference to E2. Thus E1 is an unreferenced object, and third one is an anonymous object. In anonymous object we have to use new employee is the way to create an anonymous object. Anonymous object is nothing but creating an object without having any name. And to do this we have two methods in JVM. One is finalize method and another is the GC method. Whenever we create an unreferenced object, first of all finalize method is called and later GC method is called, and through GC we can create garbage collection. Let me explain you in detail. Let me give an example for this. Consider a class garbage. Now we can use either public, protected or private or any default, and this is finalize method which I have told you before, and here we can use an output statement system.out.println object, and we can close this, and later we have to use our main method. Later we have to create an object. Garbage G1 equals to new garbage. Garbage G2 equals to new garbage. By creating these two objects, either G1 and G2, we have to reference it to the null. And we have to close the class. By referencing these both objects to null, this is known as unreferencing the objects, and when this program is executed then we get output as object of obj because we had unreferenced these two objects for the two times. Thanks for watching, and please do share, subscribe and like, and please give me any suggestions.